In this video, we will show you how to create and utilize SMS and email templates. To create templates, navigate to Templates and click the plus Add Template icon. In the drop-down, you will be able to select whether you'd like to create an SMS or text template or an email template. In the pop-up window that will appear, you can completely customize the template you are creating. You can add custom values and trigger links. You can customize the formatting in terms of the font, the size, the paragraph styles, etc. You can view a preview of what the template looks like on the right-hand side. And once you're satisfied with your template, click Save to confirm your changes. The template will now appear in your list of message templates. On the right-hand side, there will be icons where you can edit or delete templates. Now let's take a look at how to utilize templates. One option is within campaigns. If you navigate to a campaign to an email or SMS event and click Edit, a pop-up window will appear for that email or SMS event. In this example, you'll see the email event, and in the pop-up window, we can click from the drop-down list to choose a template to pop right in to that email event. Make sure to save any changes. Another option is within the Conversations section. Click into your conversations and choose a contact. Within the center portion of their conversation window, you will see an SMS and email option where you can completely customize a new message, or you can select a template. When you click Use Template, the template will appear and you can still make some modifications. Then you can send your message. An additional option is within the Contact section, utilizing the bulk action features for sending an SMS or email. You can select one or multiple contact records and then click the icon to send an SMS or to send an email. Choose a template from the drop-down in the pop-up window that appears. Again, the template will populate and you can make some modifications. So maybe the template is 90% good to go, but you'd like to customize 10% to change. You can certainly do that here. So make any modifications you like and then send the SMS or the email. And you're all set. Now you know how to create SMS and email templates, as well as how and where to utilize these templates. That's all for now. Thanks.